The company Xiaomi has just released a video teasing the durability of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. As can be seen in the video, someone is dropping the upcoming Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 on 3 different types of flooring. One is a wooden floor, another is a marble floor, and the third one is a gravel floor. The result of the drop has not been revealed in the teaser. The teaser further states that if you want to know the result, join Xiaomi on August 14 at their launch event where they will introduce the Mix Fold 3 in China. So if Xiaomi hadn't shown the result now, obviously the results would be positive. Obviously they wouldn't tease something that shows the device got broken in a drop test. This means that the company is very confident about the build and durability of the Mix Fold 3. So you don't have to worry about carrying a foldable phone that is weak or easy to break. Earlier, Xiaomi confirmed that the Mix Fold 3 would be a lightweight and sleek foldable phone just like any non-foldable device. Therefore, you won't have to worry about carrying a bulky phone just because you own a foldable one. We covered the entire Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 in a detailed video earlier today, so make sure to check it out for more information. As a quick reminder, Xiaomi has revealed that the Mix Fold 3 will come equipped with an 8.02-inch foldable AMOLED display offering a 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2600 nits. It will house a 4800 mAh battery with 67 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging. The Mix Fold 3 will be the company's first foldable phone to feature a quad camera unit with Leica's optimizations. It will have a 50 megapixel main camera, but it is not clear whether it has the Sony IMX989 or IMX800 camera sensor as the primary snapper. The camera setup will also include a periscope telephoto camera. Let me know your views about this drop test video of the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 and what you think about the design of the device as it is now fully showcased in these videos. So that's it for a quick video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more content like this, and we will see you in the next one.